briefly, we're going to look at some topics in mathematics. We're starting with quadratic equation. The aim is just to make mathematics more fun, easier for you guys, so that some questions, some topics that are very, very challenging will be more easier for us. We are taking quadratic equation first. Sorry, my name is Agbo Angel. People call me Mr. Angel. So we are starting with quadratic equation. Um, and we're going to use three methods. The first method we are starting with is factorization. So factorization. Let me put in brackets or factorization. Factorization. Under the first example, we're using factorization first. So the second one is completing the square method, and the third is using quadratic formula. I'm going to write the formula out for us. We're starting with this first example, x squared minus 8x plus 12 equals to 0. Now, the first thing we need to know is for us to get the factors, we need to multiply 12 times x squared, meaning that what are the numbers that when we multiply them, it will give us, the two of them will give us 12. And when we add them together, we have negative 8. When we multiply them, remember, they will give us what? 12. But when you add them together, they will give you what? Negative 8. Now we start looking for the factors of 12 that and also what work with 8. Now we know that the factors of 12 we have 6, we have 3, we have 2, we have 1, and 12 itself is there. So we are using 2 and 6 because 6 plus 2 will give you 8, while 6 times 2 will give you 12. So let's put it this way. We're going to rearrange the equation. S squared minus 6. Are you getting me? Let's use 2 first. S squared minus 2x minus 6x plus 12 equals to 0. Yes. You can use minus 6x minus 2x. Anyone can confess is the same thing, just like when you add 4 plus 2 or 2 plus 4, they are all 6. Now, put it this way, s squared minus 2x in bracket minus, open another bracket, 6s I know you are thinking, why is it that this one is now minus 12? The reason is minus times minus is plus. So if you want to open the bracket, it will still bounce back to the plus. So, but by the time you put inside the bracket, the rule applies. Let's factorize. Yes. You will agree with me that this side is equal to this side. We have x minus 2 here, and we have x minus 2 here. And outside the bracket, we have x minus 6, and we have x minus 2, all equals to 0. And our x is equal to 6, or our x equal to what? 2. This is how simple factorization method is. And is the easiest method you can use, because right from here, I will already tell you that our answer is either 2 or 6, or 6 or 2. using this method, this particular method. Except you are asked to use other method, it's better to use factorization method because number one, is very easy. Number two, it doesn't take time for you to arrive at the final destination. Nevertheless, we are going to use the other method to also prove our answer and to see that we understand other method. We move into completing the square method. In case if there is any question concerning this particular topic, factorization under this quadratic equation, you can drop it on my page. Yes, thank you so much. I really appreciate.